Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We have a beautiful day here in Tuscany and we came out to see this amazing farmhouse project. Now, it needs a little love, but the price is super low. This farmhouse is 450 square meters. There's two outbuildings at 35 square meters each that all can be reconstructed. And it comes on 7 hectares of land with 160 olive plants already here and tons of room for grapevines, gardens, whatever you want to put here. Now, it's important to understand that the land here is agricultural, so you're not allowed to build anything else on it except improve the buildings that are already here. So the fact that you have two outbuildings in addition to this giant house is a really big deal. You could make guest houses out of it. You can make a huge garage or a workstation, whatever you want to do. This is a really great opportunity. A lot of work has been done, a lot of the structural work. The roof is new. Some of the solai, the ceilings and floors, have been redone, but obviously there's a little love that needs to happen, which is why the price is so low. And this would be a fabulous project for our beautiful Lorella. Okay, this is the ground floor. As you can see, a lot of the foundation has been redone, and this is all set up and ready to finish. You can see inside that the ceilings and floors for the level above have been completely redone, but they kept the beautiful Tuscan ceilings that you just love to see, but you know they're super secure. Here you can see they also have the beautiful travi, which are the traditional Tuscan ceilings inside the house. Upstairs is the same thing. Now here's another downstairs room. We had to be a bit careful because some parts of it were not super secure. Now, if you look downstairs, you see these arches that are superimposed on the wall. Those can all be opened up and you can make a beautiful living space down here with access onto a gorgeous terrace so you can look out over your beautiful olive trees. And again, here are some more of the travi. The ceilings and floors have been redone. That's a lot of savings there, folks, because the structural part is not inexpensive. Let's go upstairs and take a look. This was a bathroom at one time, obviously not a super comfy one. It would make a wonderful ripostiglio or storage area, or you could just get rid of it. Okay, we're inside. We came upstairs and we saw a little bit of the downstairs. A lot of this has been structurally redone. In fact, you can see these trave are new and you can have them treated to look like they're old. They're very pretty. From here, you have a beautiful view of the olive trees and everything else. And from this point, you probably have a great view of the valley. Let's go take a look. Now, as you can see, there has been a lot of work done, but some of these walls, most of them, I would say, are not supporting walls. They're not structural load-bearing walls. There is one large load-bearing wall, which you can see here. It's about 2 feet thick and runs the length of the house. However, these other walls, many of them you could just take down. Of course, that's something you want to talk to Lorella, our architect, about. You can make a beautiful space up there as well, put bedrooms upstairs and downstairs because you have so much space. And again, the roof is new, the travi, which are the ceilings and floors, are new. So much of this work has been done and the price is so low. Here's where the kitchen was at one time. There's a floor-to-ceiling window there, which you could put a gorgeous balcony out so that you can see the views while you're cooking. This obviously is not a load-bearing wall. I would open that up and make it a kitchen and dining room space here, and maybe even a living space as well, because you have a lot of room. And as you can see, the views are just spectacular. This area is really the prettiest part of Tuscany. We think this house is an incredible value. The price is very low. The owner is very motivated.